Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here. My name is Zaria and I make crochet videos. Good morning, you guys, if it's morning for you. If not, I'm sorry. So today I have a lot to do. Let me give you a little background. So today is my bestie's birthday. Everybody say happy birthday Bree in the comments, because she does watch my videos. So yeah, today's my friend's birthday and she's doing like a little dinner party, so at a restaurant. And so she wanted everybody to wear black, white, and gray, that little aesthetic. So I have a black dress and I have like a white flannel, white and black like flannel that I think I'm gonna put over it. But I don't have any like anything to make it look a little, to give it a little, give it a little, a little seasoning, And also, my head looks crazy. I cannot go anywhere showing my hair. So I'm gonna have to make a bandana. So I'm getting ahead of myself. So I think I'm gonna make a bandana. In my head, I want it to be black with like a white border. I'm gonna make some cute ruffle socks because I think I'm just gonna wear like some sneakers. So I wanna make like some gray ruffle socks to like peek over the sneakers because they have gray in them. And then I have this like chunky yarn that I have never used, and I want to make a little cute little shoulder bag. So hopefully I can make all of this before 4 o'clock because that's when I have to leave. And it is currently 8:35, so let's see. I'm gonna see if I could make all of this, but I'm kind of scared because but it is what it is. We need to go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start with the bandana because I can't go anywhere with my hair looking how it looks. So I have to make something to cover that up. And then we're gonna make the bag, and then we're gonna make the socks because worst comes to worst, I'll just wear some black socks. It is what it is. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I've gathered my supplies. So I'm gonna use gray for the little ruffle socks. And then I don't know why instead of like using a ball of black all the way through, I just start on another one. I don't know why all my black is separate like this. It should be more than enough to make a bandana. That's the only thing I'm doing in black. And then I want like the border of the bandana to be white. So I don't know if I want to use my regular white or this like, I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a soft fluffy white. I think I'm going to use this for the perimeter of the bandana. I've had this yarn for so long and I've never used it, but it is black, white, and gray. So I think I'm gonna make a little shoulder bag out of this. And I have like 2 more balls of this. You wanna know where I got this from? I used to work at Walmart. They had like 3 huge balls of these just sitting there with no label, no tag. And I said, can I have these? Like, can y'all put a price on these and I can have these? And she gave me these 3 big balls of these for like $2. So, but I've never found a use for them until today. We got the plan down. We're gonna go ahead and get started. It is 8:45. Yeah, I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, it is 9:49. Almost 10 o'clock. And this is how much I've done. You can't even see it really because I'm wearing black. Fuck. But that's how far I've made it. I'm probably at the halfway mark. I would say I'm at the halfway mark. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. Hopefully I can finish this in another hour or an hour and a half, but we will see. Y'all, I've been recording this whole time without my autofocus on, and I did not realize. Yeah, that's all I had to say. I hate crocheting with black yarn. It's very annoying. I'm ready to be finished with this. I don't know, I get bored easily on crochet projects. I really do. This one not so much because it has a purpose, you know. I'm going to be wearing it today, so you know, especially when I'm using one color though, because this is all black. I won't have any fun until I add the white around the border at the end. But yeah, if y'all crochet, let me know if y'all are left-handed, because I swear I never see any other left-handed crocheters, and I am very left-handed. I could not, you could offer me $1 million to crochet something with my right hand and I'd just be out of money. Can't do it. But I don't know, because it's like I want to make some tutorials for like my beginners out there, but I'm left-handed, so I don't know if that'll be good or bad. I guess I could do videos like cater towards left-handed people, because I don't see a lot of those on YouTube. So, you know, just thinking. Let me know down in the comments how long y'all have been crocheting, if y'all do crochet. I really have not been crocheting long at all, but when I tell you, I picked it up like this. Like, my first ever crochet project was like a granny square bag, and I lined the inside and everything. Like, to me, like, obviously looking back on it now, I can see like a lot of flaws that it has, but at that point in time, you couldn't tell me shit. Like, I was the best crochet artist alive, and you couldn't tell me otherwise. The point is my very first project was a very complex project for a 100% beginner, and I did that shit. I'm not gonna lie. I did it. And like I said, it don't look the best, but it looks phenomenal for someone who never crocheted before that. That's why I really like love crocheting, because I really feel like it's my thing, you know, because as soon as I tried it, I got it. Like, y'all, I'm just up here yapping. Let me go. Okay, y'all, so I've made it the length I wanted. I kind of just like took my thing off so I could see where it went. Oh, my AirPod. Oh, hold on. I just kind of put it around my head to see like the length. I don't know, I'm probably doing a terrible job of showing you guys, but I got the length I want, and I'm gonna go around the border. I'm gonna do one more row in white and then go around the border with white, and yeah. Okay, y'all, it's actually 12 o'clock. I am officially done with my bandana. I used like the fuzzy white yarn. I was gonna do like a whole nother row with it, but I ended up just doing single crochets around the border because it kind of looked weird with so much fuzzy yarn. But let me put it on, see how it looks. Like I said, do not mind my hair. Like, it's really bad right now. Here it is. Let's see. What do y'all think? Like, obviously I'm gonna have to retwist my front row, but I think it looks cute. Oh my god. Okay, and it's only 12 o'clock, so I got like 3 more hours. I should be able to finish the bag. I don't know about the socks, but we're gonna try. So this is the yarn that I'm using. I have never crocheted with the 8mm, and I've had it for forever, but I've just never used it. And I've never used chunky yarn, so we'll see how this goes. The tutorial I'm using, she said it came together in 45 minutes, so let's see if I can do that. I just wanted to update y'all real quick. It's 1 o'clock, so it's been an hour. I don't think the 45-minute thing is happening, but this is like how far I've gotten. Hopefully I can finish this. I don't think I'll have time for my ruffle socks. Sad. Maybe I'll have time to just make like the ruffle around it, like the top ruffle part, and put like some gray socks underneath so it looks like it go together. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'll see, but yeah. Y'all, I don't know how I just broke my tripod, but I did. Here's the bag. I think it looks cute. I just have to finish the straps. I don't know if I'm gonna finish in time to make the socks, but yeah. I finished the bag. It's cute. It's a cute little shoulder bag moment. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. It's a little shoulder bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. We got our bandana and we got our purse. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to see if I can finish these ruffle socks, make these ruffle socks really quick, because I have to leave by like 4:15 and I have to have time to get ready and stuff. So it is what, it's like 2 o'clock, so maybe I can make these in an hour. We'll see. Okay guys, ignore the lighting, but this is what I did. So I made a scrunchie with just one single layer on it, and then I put on my gray sock and put the scrunchie over it, so it looks like a ruffle sock. And that's gonna have to do because I don't have time to make full ruffle socks right now. So I just need to make one more and then I'll be done. Okay y'all, I did it. These I don't know what to call these. These scrunchies are done, even though they're gonna be on my ankles. We got our bandana and we got our bag. It's 3:15. I started at like 8:45, so so 6 hours. Okay, so y'all, I feel like this is the fastest I've ever crocheted. Like, I made 3 total things in 6 hours. That's not bad. I really didn't take any breaks. I took like a bathroom break, water, stuff like that, but I don't know, I'm proud of myself. My wrist is fucking throbbing though, so I'm not crocheting for the rest of the week into next week. I had so much fun making this stuff. Okay, I need to start getting ready because I need to be leaving the house in an hour. So yeah, I will talk to y'all when I put everything together to show y'all. Okay, hey y'all, I'm done finally. I'm styled, I'm ready to go. So here's the bandana. I think it came out really cute. I just got on some hoop earrings, a little necklace, and I have my flannel. I have it tied right here, and this is the dress. You can't see it. I'm gonna get a further out angle in a second, but yeah, I just got on a little charm bracelet. Yes, and this is the bag. The bag came out so cute, you guys. I know y'all can't really see it, but it came out so cute. But here's the bag. Okay, hold on, okay. So this is the full fit. This is how the little scrunchie, like the faux socks, came out. It's so cute. Okay, you guys, so that is the final look. I was gonna wear sneakers, but it's raining outside, so I thought the boots look better anyway. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me today. It's been a long day, a long stressful day that's gonna continue because I'm going to dinner. Yeah. I crocheted for like 6 hours straight today. Crazy. But you know, it is what it is. That's what happens when you leave things to the last minute. But I did it, so that's all that matters. But anyways, you guys, that is all I have for y'all today. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel, because if you're not subscribed yet, then what are you doing? Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been enjoying making these crochet videos, and they're gonna keep coming as long as y'all keep liking. So thank y'all. But that's all I have. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
talk turns into